Time on the water is sacred. It's why you're here, to gain confidence in your abilities and unlock the world of water for yourself, your family, and your friends. I'm Mayumi.
And I'm Adam. Together, we're going to walk you through the basics of boating so you can experience the joy and freedom of being out on the water and go boldly into each adventure that comes your way.
If you don't have much experience towing a trailer, just remember, at one point you had no experience driving at all. With practice, it's only a matter of time before towing your boat will be second nature.
The route to confidence starts by practicing in a low-stakes environment. Find an empty parking lot near your house.
This is where you'll build the basics and learn how to make your trailer do what you want it to do. Bring cones and use the parking spaces to set up challenges.
With the trailer in tow, you'll now have to make wider turns. Whether you're turning left or right, remember two things. Favor the outside edge of your lane and pull farther forward before making turns. Doing so will give your trailer more room to clear corners and any objects on the inside edge of your path.
Let's get down to what takes up the most practice: backing up. All boiled down, when you reverse your vehicle one way, your trailer will go in the opposite direction.
It's mental gymnastics at first, turning this way to go the other, but there is a trick for this stage. Put your palm down at the bottom of the steering wheel. From here, the direction you start moving your hand is the direction your trailer will go.
Start with backing up in a straight line, with your eyes on the driver's side mirror. If you start seeing more of your trailer, it's moving left. Redirect the trailer to the right by moving your hand to the right. When your trailer responds, bring the wheel back towards the center until your trailer and vehicle fall back in line.
Be cautious not to overcorrect. It only takes a small adjustment at the wheel before your trailer responds. You'll likely make many more micro adjustments to keep your trailer moving straight back.
If you've oversteered and your trailer goes out of bounds, don't fret. Just pull forward and reset. Start your approach again and go slow.
If you've really oversteered, beware of jackknifing. This can happen when you reach such a sharp angle that your vehicle impacts your trailer or boat.
The best way to figure all of this out is to just get behind the wheel and do it yourself. Practice until it becomes muscle memory.
When you hit the road, remember that more time, space, and patience are keys to trailering safely. It takes more time to accelerate to speed and requires more space between traffic to change lanes or overtake a vehicle.
Most importantly, it takes more time to come to a stop. Keep plenty of space at all times between you and the vehicle ahead. Multiple car lengths at least.
Keep an eye out and a feel for sway. If either the rear of your vehicle or your trailer is swaying, chances are your tongue weight is off or a tire is losing pressure. Reduce speed and find a safe place to make necessary adjustments.
While learning to trailer may be daunting at first, it won't be for long. So have fun with it. Don't just get comfortable, get good.
Thanks for watching this episode of Saltwater Boating Basics, presented by Mercury Marine.